Hello everybody, welcome back to the vlog, Dani and Jordan show.
It says Dani show in the credits.
Welcome to tonight. We are going to be making dinner. Excuse you. I get a lot of questions about what I eat in a day.
Are those starters?
It's an appetizer.
They're sugar cubes.
Oh, my butt. I get my metabolism revved. I just assume that you guys know what we eat. They don't. Like, show you one of our favorite salads that we made. Just like quick and easy. And healthy. Are you seriously eating cookies right now? These have raw eggs in them. I want to save them for me later. Okay, so my little helper. Jordan. Have you been sneaking treats? Is that the cookie butter from Trader Joe's? You know I can't reach that.
You think you can have the whole house? You can't.
How many times a week do I cook for you?
Once, twice, 3 times.
That's my boy. First thing you gotta get is a rotisserie chicken. Who wants to cook that themselves? Not I. Not I, said the fly.
Remember I got that whenever we had a pregnancy scare? One says positive. We'll try another one.
I'm so thankful for you. Gross. I think we're going for a little bit of like a Greek salad theme here. Kale from Trader Joe's, an onion and avocado, tomatoes, feta cheese, and steakhouse balsamic vinaigrette light. I also will make some quinoa and throw that into the salad. Throw in the lettuce, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Then it's time to chop it up. I always try when I cut onions.
Oh, maybe let me try?
Too big, but listen to this. Oh, I like this one because the ridges a lot easier to cut. So what I do is I close my eyes and then I go like this and I just go. I just do kidding. That. I don't know. I kind of just go like this.
Watch your finger.
Oh
my gosh.
Okay, so then I go for a little
avocado.
No, babe. Avo's my friend. She's coming over later. Kidding. It's an avocado. And you make some slices. Okay, so I just kind of add that in there. You really just gotta get your hands in it. Oh crap, I forgot to wash my hands.
Are you kidding? That's disgusting.
Tomatoes.
No.
Somebody still use these. I mean, we make out, it's fine. We'll cut these. Oh, shoot. I hate when I do this.
Calm down. What's
put
up?
the water in the cup before you put the quinoa and it's gonna stick all inside. See what I mean? I'm not doing this anymore.
No, babe, don't give up.
I'm not doing it anymore.
Don't give up. Come on.
I'm just kidding. It's my girl time. I mean my period. Those internet haters out there. I say what I want. Okay, now we're gonna bring to a boil. Sometimes I like to speak to it. Hi, little quinoa. Love you all. You're all going to grow very fancy. If you just give it a little loving, tender care.
Babe, why'd you put your glasses on?
Just in case the quinoa explodes.
Okay.
So, while that is boiling, what I usually do is I go Google how to season quinoa. Okay, so what you do is you just spin it. You just pick one. Oregano. Add this before, after. This is why I married. Taste test of the quinoa. A little salty. Okay, so it's time to add a little bit of the balsamic vinaigrette. And then you toss this out. Tossy. I am a culinary genius! The dinner dance.
Ooh. What is that?
It's like sticky boob.
While you're holding our dinner, you don't wash your hands. Boobs are falling off everywhere. It's disgusting.
I don't like wearing bras, they're too tight. Babe, dinner's ready. Okay, babe, dinner's ready. Honestly, I was filming this and one of them literally fell.
What are you looking at now? Whoa, what?
I have to get the sticky boobies because they just ruined them.
Yeah, they're in our salad. Honestly, this is actually my favorite time being married, is like being able to cook together. It's like a special time for us.
It is one of my favorite things.
Just one of the simple luxury, oh my gosh.
Come here, you big bub.
A big bub?
A big bub.
What is that?
I don't know, I just gave
Oh
up.
no.